Hey there, John here from My Solar Home, and today we will look at how smart homes are transforming the way we live and interact with our living spaces. Now, let's dive into the elements of smart homes and sustainable living. We're talking about smart appliances and intelligent furnishings, AI and interconnected ecosystems, sustainable building practices, and integrated green infrastructure. So let's start with smart appliances and intelligent furnishings. Today, devices like smart fridges can keep track of your food inventory, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, and even order groceries automatically when supplies are running low. Devices connected ovens that preheat remotely while you're way back from an errand or from office. You receive notifications when your dish is perfectly cooked. You even have intuitive coffee machines, smart coffee machines that learn your preferences, allow you to brew your favorite cup of coffee with a simple voice command or a tap of your smartphone. What about furniture? Gone are the days of traditional furniture pieces, merely serving their basic functions. Today, we blend technology with home furnishings, creating intelligent pieces that enhance our lives in ways that we really never thought possible. We have sensor-embedded recliners today that adjust precisely to our body's position, providing the optimum level of comfort. Smart beds with integrated sensors and AI algorithms analyze your sleep patterns, adjusting the mattress's firmness and temperature to ensure you wake up refreshed every day. You even have interactive tables today that are futuristic, not only because they serve sleek design elements, but because they incorporate touchscreens, projection capabilities, transforming them into interactive displays for work, entertainment, and more. New health monitoring devices are becoming ubiquitous, wearable technologies that enable health monitoring, allowing you to track your vital signs, your sleep patterns, and other health-related parameters are becoming very common. Next, let's look at AI and connected ecosystems. In the world of smart homes, integration is key to creating connected ecosystems that seamlessly merge various technologies within the home. AI automated systems allow you to control aspects of our homes such as temperature, security, entertainment systems, all through centralized interfaces or voice assistants. Smart homes enable efficient management of appliances. They reduce energy waste. You can integrate them with smart plugs, with power strips, and other energy monitoring devices. Not only do you get remote control of your appliances, but you get to know every individual appliance. With this capability, today homeowners can identify energy-hungry devices. You can implement power savings, even switch off appliances when they're not in use, and all this from the convenience of your smartphone. In the lighting front, smart lighting systems are new and intelligent. Again, control everything through your smartphone app or voice commands. These smart lighting systems also result in low utility bills. In addition, we have sensors for motor detection, sensors for energy optimization, and smart meters that manage the energy consumption for your whole home, all in real time, providing you insights and giving you visibility and empowering you to make informed decisions that ultimately lower your energy bills. Another trend in the ecosystems and the connectivity between them is the adoption of augmented reality to visualize how your home will look at. Even before you make a change by adding new furniture, you can use augmented reality applications to look at how your home will look. All these interconnected systems don't only enhance comfort and security, but they also contribute to energy efficiency, ultimately reducing the ecological footprint of our homes. Next, let's look at sustainable building practices. Now, energy efficient buildings are the new cornerstone of sustainable constructions. These structures are designed to minimize your energy consumption, decrease your reliance on non-renewable sources, work towards reducing heat loss from the envelope, maximize the use of natural lighting, and optimize your thermal comfort. They employ energy harvesting technologies such as solar panels integrated into your windows and walls, and ensure that buildings are sustainable and have the lowest possible energy consumption. Building efficient water management systems for rainwater harvesting, and even smart irrigation in green spaces around your building or within the building itself. The goal is to build a net zero building. These are structures that generate as much energy as they consume. Now, two key technologies that are driving sustainable buildings today are the adoption of prefabricated and modular construction and 3D printing. Let's look at prefabricated modular construction. Homes are now built in factories. This allows them to be built faster, construction is more efficient, components are standardized, processes are streamlined, homes can be assembled at a fraction of the time it takes for traditional construction. They are cost effective as well. The other transformative technology is 3D printing. This has the potential to really disrupt traditional construction methods. 3D construction promotes unbelievably rapid construction, as all the structural elements of a building can be 3D printed on site, thus dramatically reducing manual labor, any errors, and super efficiency. 3D construction, 3D printed construction eliminates the need for extensive formwork and reduces material waste to a very high degree. Complex architectural designs that were previously difficult or even impossible to achieve using conventional construction are now within our grasp with 3D. Last but not the least, let's go into integrated green infrastructure. Now, designing sustainable living spaces involves considering not only the buildings, but the surrounding environment. Sustainable practices leads to the conserving valuable natural resources for future generations. Now, the various elements of green infrastructure include green roofs and vertical gardens that enhance thermal insulation and air quality, the use of green materials from bamboo flooring to recycled insulation and other modern eco-friendly materials that have far lower environmental impact. Add to this the benefits of durability and aesthetic appeal. Other technologies we are seeing are pervious pavements to reduce stormwater runoff and to improve water quality, using new wastewater systems including recycling and composting, the promotion and integration of public transportation systems and bike lanes. All this, the goal is to build smart cities with urban areas utilizing interconnected technologies to improve efficiency and sustainability. In conclusion, smart homes and renewable energy are really shaping the future of sustainable living. The global smart home market today is projected to reach $174.2 billion by 2025. Additionally, the adoption of sustainable building materials is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate, a CAGR of 12.2% between 2021 to 2026. The adoption of technology and our engineering prowess might yet lead us to a sustainable world that continues to provide for our future generations. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe. Till the next time.